Hello everyone, Michael here again from Adventurous Real Estate Investors. In this video, I'm going to discuss how we were able to convert 100% of our traffic, the people coming in to view our property, into applications for several weeks in a row. But before I jump into the video, if you enjoy the channel and the content that Susie and I are putting out, please go ahead and smash that like button below, subscribe to our channel here, and don't forget to ring that bell so that you can be notified when we release new content. A challenge a lot of operators have is converting the traffic generated at their property into applications to become a resident. Marketing drives traffic to your property, but conversions to applications happen once they get there and experience the community. Recently, for several weeks in a row, we were able to convert all of our traffic into applications. We believe this was not only due to the friendly staff and well-landscaped community, but to the fact that we had a beautifully renovated model that was professionally staged. When residents showed up, they were given a tour of the property and the model unit, and we received such amazing feedback about how beautiful the model was and that they could see themselves living there. Having a model that can elicit such an emotional response is key to get those applications in. So additionally, we held several open houses and invited the current residents to see the model unit and walk through it. This resulted in several current residents asking for a newly updated unit and signing new leases at the pro forma rents, which is awesome. And as a bonus, once the model unit is staged, you can hire a professional to take photos and video footage of the unit and the property, and then use those photos and videos for your marketing to drive more people to your property, right? I'll drop a link to our marketing video for Harper's Lodge below in the comments. So to wrap it up, I would highly suggest having a professionally staged model, at least for a few months, to increase conversion and really ramp up your leasing, especially if you are renovating units and looking to achieve significant rent increases. Okay, so until next time, explore more, adventure awaits. Woo!